Okay, so I've filmed these units before, but I just wanted to get another video of them because I just got a new phone for my birthday. It's my birthday today. I got a new iPhone 16 Pro Max, so I just wanted to test it out. Here's the screen there. This got installed a few years ago. Here's the data. This is Goodman. It's done, I don't know what's going on. Recently, nice. And here's this brand new granddad. Scroll. There's the data. I think it's a 2024 5 And here are these Goodman units. I think that Goodman just shut down. Yep, did. Okay. These Goodman's off this time. Culprit spool. And they're on the same thermostat. Also Culprit spool. This thing is so clear. And here are these 4 units over here. Here's this granddad. Culprit spool. This is granddad. LG skull. Is this one culprit? That's the data for this one. That's the data for that one. This is Goodman. Culprit skull. That's the data for that granddad. That's the data for that Goodman dealership. But yeah, just wanted to get a video of these units. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.